getting, Evan? What's in your bucket, Evan?
The frog leaves, the flowers.
Are they special?
Yeah, so you can pull out.
Wow. You got a lot of special leaves.
Look at mine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Show Daddy.
Leaves.
Okay. Oh, drawbridge. Who's gonna be on the drawbridge?
I'm gonna.
Okay, sing
I'm
a song.
control. Who's under the bridge? Open. I'm control. Who's under the bridge? So my riddle.
Okay, what's your riddle?
My riddle is, why do you get leaves and flowers and everything else to make stuffs? Why?
Because it's autumn.
But autumn you get leaves down, but when they're on the tree you could.
Okay, why? Tell mommy. Mommy don't know.
So someone else can tell. Evan.
You tell her, Evan.
Good job, Evan.
So we got the leaves and flowers. That's correct. You should go over my bridge. Oh, brown.
Wow.
Ew, brown.